come forward over the elbow at the minute. Yeah, right, so then imagine, as I said, that skewer coming down through the top of the shoulder and pinning the elbow into the floor. Keep your wrist as low to the floor as you possibly can. Go all the way internal. Nice. And then control it on the way back out again. Just straighten the wrist a wee bit for me. There you go. Again, let it come all the way, all the way, all the way, as far as you possibly can. Good. And then pull back in again. Quite a bit of work that, isn't it? Nice. So guys, Ryan's in a sexy position here. We're just going to give you the full rear view. So we've got a nice straight line from shoulder to hip. He's got his shoulders stacked over the elbows. Just pull your shoulders forward a wee bit. There we go. And then we're rotating around that pivot point. Great camera work here. Nice. And we've got about 10 pounds on the cable pulley, and Ryan's job is just to try and resist. Nice. Ryan's working on some shoulder mobility here. We've got him set up in a nice 90-90 position. Hips and shoulders are stacked on this kind of diagonal line. And then when we come around to the front here, we're making sure the wrist stays nice and chill and controlled. The elbow and the shoulder are in a straight line. The shoulders are stacked. And Ryan's pressing down powerfully and then resisting back for a 10-second eccentric. So we're getting internal rotation on the press down and then external rotation as he fights it on the way back. Last one, buddy. So again, nice straight lines, moving nice and slowly, the wrist staying super chill, and we've got that nice 90-90 shape. Really good job, mate.